legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Well played, bro!
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
And 2 times you let it slip from your lips. You got too much.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Thinking that we got time, you wanna keep it in. I want you
Well
out in
played,
the
bro!
pouring rain. I want
The
you
man who can
Dito tinitipihan ko lang siya para magalit siya.
saying, I'm right here, baby, so please.
not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Well played, bro!
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Well
Knowing
played,
is
bro!
not enough. We must apply. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
You're not the type, so baby,
Well played, bro!
don't try, 'cause you'll end up losing
In
it.
the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Well played, bro!
Dito puro tower hug lang ginagawa niya. Papaligin ko na sana siya kaso nakalimutan ko na ka-aegis pala siya kaya napatay niya ako.
But to fill it again. Knowing is not enough. We must
Well
apply.
played, bro! Well played, bro!
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Kickback ko sana siya kaso na-dodge niya yung ulti ko. Pero napatay ko pa din siya.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
You have slain an enemy!
Well played, bro!
Speed defines the winner.
Dito dai ko alam bakit gusto niyang pumasok sa tore ko kaya napatay ko siya. Dito low life ako kaya sinubukan ko kung madododge ko ba yung ulti niya kaya tingnan nyo na lang. Takot siya sa akin kahit low life ako muntik pa nga niya akong mapatay. Buti na lang nakatakas ako.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Well played, bro!
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
And 2 times you let it slip from your lips. You got too much pride to make promises. Thinking that we got
Hindi pa nga ako umuwi kaya napatay na niya ako.
pouring rain. I want you down on your knees.
Empty your cup in order to fill it
Dai
again.
ko alam kung bakit anong nangyayari sa akin kasi mali-mali na yung freestyle ko.
Well played, bro!
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Dito pinasok ko na siya kahit alam kong delikado.
Slain an enemy!
Magpa-farm sana ako kaso may lamok palang nagtatago.
Slain an enemy!
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody.
Aabangan ko sana siya kaso may maitim pala na balak idol nyo pero dahil malakas tayo hindi niya natuloy.
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
You're not shy, so
Well played, bro!
don't try, 'cause you'll end up
Empty your cup Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Well played, bro.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
Well played, bro.
Knowing is not a
Dahil makulit idol nyo, tinulungan ko na siya umuwi. Mapapatay ko na sana siya kaso naka-aegis ang idol nyo.
empty your cup in order to
Well played, bro.
knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Naglag ako kaya muntik pa akong mamatay.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Nagkasabayan kami pero alam nyo na kung sino panalo, hinabol pa kasi si kamatayan.
The man who can beat me has not been born.
Slain an enemy.
Mag-freestyle na sana ako kaso umiral pagkabobo ko. Kaya napatay niya ako.
Not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
Well played, bro.
Don't lie, I know you've been thinking it.
The man who can beat me has not been born.
You got too much pride.
Mag-freestyle na sana ako kaso na mali yung freestyle ko kaya napintas ako.
And you wanna keep it in.
Empty your cup. I could not see anything.
Nag-surrender siya dito pero kahit hindi siya nag-surrender panalo pa din ako kasi na-push na ng minions ko yung top niya.